Alright guys, so right now I'm in the Ranger going up to my track. But today I'm gonna be like borrowing one of my dad's skid steers, and I'm gonna go like work on my track and stuff. I did all my chores, which was I had to mow one of these fields, so I finished mowing it. It's not here right now, so I'm gonna borrow this skid steer, go work on my track, and yeah. Alright, so I got the skid steer out here. I'm working on it. This is what I got so far. I'm on like a big time crunch. So me and my dad are going mountain biking tonight. So I have this little double right here. It's not big at all. And here's the landing. This year I reshaped those jumps, so these are good. Redid the whole track. I'll show you guys though. So yeah, so it comes that way. Yeah. Took out this berm. And now the original track used to come from this way. It would come here and turn, but I changed it to come up here. Like from the top there, it comes down here. It's down. Goes down there, turns around. You come up, you hit this little jump right here, you know. Just come up the hill. Or like hill climb almost. Hit this. Land up here somewhere. Honestly, you could hit it like a step up. If you land up here. Land here. Come around this turn. I kind of made the turns more sweeping, so they're bigger. Then you come, you hit this little double. It's gonna be like on it. You like ride over this, make a hard right turn, go that way, turn, come that way, go down the hill, come up the hill, and come back and hit this and go. I also worked on this landing right here. You know, I worked on this takeoff. I'm gonna like flatten that because that's a huge ass lift. I know it's not the best filming quality, but so yeah, so I'm gonna work this, kind of just make this a mound. Yeah, and then you turn here. We'll make that a little dirt jump, and then I got a bunch of dirt down there. I don't know where I'm gonna put it though. But yeah, this little section's gonna be done where I got a little jump. I think I'm gonna add like a little, just jump right here. So you jump there, land, hit this. I don't know, I'm gonna play around with it. I got like an hour, not even like 30 more minutes. So yeah, that's it. All right, so parked the skid steer where I found it, so my dad won't know I stole it. And he's actually coming up in like 30 minutes to go mountain biking. So I got 30 minutes to go ride on what I have. It's not done, but it's like close to being finished. It's like kind of left it a whole mess. So I'll like go up another day and like smooth it out, clean it out. So yeah, I'll add some berms. Right now it doesn't really have any berms, just has the jumps. Probably add another jump, but yeah, that's basically it. I gotta unload the bike, so yeah, I'll get to that. Good enough. Warmed up enough. Hi. Still like kind of it's like my first impression. Okay, yeah, these berms are definitely gonna need some more work. Trying to climb. I need to work on this turn too, but like I don't know. actually kind of fun. This is definitely the sickest track I've made. I need to build a berm right here so you can like come out here and actually hit this. But yeah, that's basically it. Too short to add another jump there. I need to build this berm too. But yeah. Other than that, it's fun as hell, honestly. I didn't know how good it was gonna be. A little dusty, like it needs some water, but I don't have water. So I gotta make do with what I got. Yeah, like you can literally hit that like rolling, and that's such a nice landing. Same with this turn. I like how sweeping it is. I like all these turns actually. Except this one. Addicted to this. That's enough of that. Time to head home. Time to go mountain biking at least.